Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. Today we've got something a bit different on the bench. It's not your usual aircraft or tank, it's one of Airfix's classic figure kits. The 54mm Life Guard from 1815. Now this one's a proper blast from the past. Originally released in the mid-70s as part of the Airfix Old Collector series, this kit gives you a British cavalryman from the time of Waterloo, complete with horse and full ceremonial uniform. The version we're looking at here is a reissue from the 90s or early 2000s, and it's still got a 50p price sticker on the front, which just adds to the nostalgia. Inside you get two sprues, nice and simple, with the pieces for the trooper himself and his horse, which comes in two halves. Despite the age of the tooling, there's a surprising amount of detail in the uniform, helmet, sword and saddle. There are no decals included, this one's all about the painting. Whether you want to go for clean parade ground colours or something a bit more weathered and battle worn, there's plenty of opportunity to make your figure your own. So, have you ever built this one? Maybe you remember picking up for a few pence back in the day, or maybe you've recently painted it up. Let us know in the comments. One of the nicest touches is the instruction sheet. It's laid out like a little brochure, and on the reverse side there are some really lovely illustrations. That's it for today, the Airfix 1815 Life Guard, a small but mighty slice of modelling history. Would you like to see Airfix bring back more figure kits like this? Let us know, and we'll catch you next time for another retro unboxing.